A smart lock can be one of the most impactful upgrades for your home in 2025, combining security with everyday convenience. Whether you want a full deadbolt replacement or an easy retrofit, these devices let you add fingerprints, set custom codes, and share access with family, friends, or service providers. In this video, we're counting down the 7 best smart door lock of 2025 to help you choose the right one for safety, style, and peace of mind. Now, if you're looking for a smart door lock that's secure, simple to use, and won't drain your wallet, the Deslock D110 Plus might be the one to check out. We've actually been living with this lock for a few weeks, and for something under $100, it punches well above its weight. Installation was super straightforward, no Pro Tools needed, and it even auto-detects your door swing direction, which makes setup that much easier. The standout feature? That lock view display. It gives you instant visibility of lock status, battery life, and any alerts. No app digging required. And speaking of unlocking, you've got options: fingerprint, PIN, app, voice control with Alexa, and even the good old-fashioned key. What we really appreciated is that the fingerprint scanner works reliably, even with wet or cold hands. Plus, you can store up to 50 prints. Great for families or frequent guests. It also has built-in Wi-Fi, so you don't need an extra hub to lock or unlock your door remotely. You can get real-time notifications, check logs, and lock up from anywhere with the app. And yes, we tested this. Locked ourselves out on purpose, then unlocked it from down the block. Worked like a charm. Security-wise, it's BHMA Grade 3 certified, IP54 weather resistant, and even comes with an anti-hijack alarm that alerts others if you're forced to unlock under duress. It runs on AA batteries, lasts up to a year with battery management, and has a USB-C port for emergency charging. Overall, the Deslock D110 Plus adds peace of mind without adding stress to your daily routine, and it doesn't require any extra gear to get the smart features working. If you've ever been locked out because you lost your keys or had a fingerprint scanner fail on you, the Eufy FamiLock S3 Max feels like a breath of fresh air. Instead of relying on fingerprints, it uses palm vein recognition, scanning the veins under your skin for a super fast, super reliable unlock, even if your hands are wet or dirty. On top of that, it's also a video doorbell and security camera in one, with crisp 2K resolution, wide coverage, and great night vision. Battery life is another win, lasting up to 3 times longer than most smart locks, with a backup just in case. Plus, it works with all major smart home platforms, so integration is a breeze. From rock-solid security to everyday convenience, this isn't just a lock, it's a complete front door upgrade. If you're deep into the Apple ecosystem and want a smart lock that plays perfectly with your iPhone or Apple Watch, the Thorbolt X1 is an easy pick. Designed with Apple HomeKey in mind, it lets you tap your phone or watch to unlock. No fumbling for keys or opening apps. There's also a lightning-fast fingerprint sensor, plus a keypad with anti-peep tech for extra security. Everything is stored locally, so your data stays private, and the Thread support means faster response times with lower battery drain. Speaking of battery, it can last up to a year on 8 AA batteries, and there's even an emergency power port if you run out unexpectedly. The build feels premium. Installation is simple, and the matte black finish looks great on just about any door. If you're an Apple user looking for a stylish, reliable, and easy-to-use smart lock, the X1 hits all the right notes. Smart locks don't have to be complicated or expensive, and the Gionfino Smart Door Lock proves it. This sleek matte black lock balances affordability with convenience, giving you 4 ways to unlock: Bluetooth, passcode, physical key, and 2 RFID cards. Enough options to suit the whole family. Installation is straightforward and doesn't require any drilling, making it a great choice even for renters. The zinc alloy build is solid and weatherproof, handling everything from freezing cold to summer heat, while the OLED touchscreen and LED backlight keep things easy to use, day or night. The companion app adds extra flexibility, letting you generate temporary or custom passwords for guests and monitor unlocking activity in real time. With battery life lasting up to a year, it's low maintenance too. Simple, smart, and secure, the Gionfino is a standout option for anyone wanting reliable home security without breaking the bank. The Deslock B200 is a great pick for anyone who wants strong security without the headache of complicated setup. It has a solid aluminum alloy build that feels premium the moment you take it out of the box, and installation is refreshingly DIY-friendly. No special tools or professional help required. Once it's in place, you've got plenty of ways to unlock: fingerprint, PIN, key, app, fob, or even temporary codes for guests. The fingerprint sensor is quick and accurate, even with wet hands, and the app makes managing access a breeze. Battery life is impressive, lasting up to a year on 4 AA batteries, with a USB-C emergency power port just in case. It's also built to handle the elements thanks to its waterproof design. Between the smooth setup, versatile unlocking, and dependable build, the Deslock B200 delivers convenience and peace of mind in one sleek package. The TCL D2 Pro Smart Lock is perfect for anyone who loves futuristic tech and hassle-free home access. With its palm vein recognition, unlocking your door feels like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Just scan your palm and you're in within 0.3 seconds. Unlike fingerprint sensors, this works under the skin, so sweat, scratches, or aging won't slow it down. Beyond that, it offers 6 ways to unlock, including keypad, key fob, physical key, app, and voice commands via Alexa or Google. The built-in doorbell and auto lock features add convenience, while real-time app notifications keep you in control. It's rugged too, with IP55 weatherproofing handling rain, snow, or heat, and a massive 10,000 mAh battery lasting up to 8 months. Sleek, reliable, and packed with thoughtful features, the TCL D2 Pro is a smart lock that blends security, convenience, and a touch of fun for modern homes. For anyone fascinated by next-level smart home tech, the SwitchBot Lock UltraVision is a game-changer. This isn't just a regular lock. It's a retrofit smart lock with 3D facial recognition that actually works. Walk up to your door and it unlocks in under a second, even in the dark or if you're wearing a hat or glasses. Installation is straightforward, and it works with almost any existing deadbolt, so no major renovations are needed. Beyond face unlock, it also supports fingerprints, passcodes, NFC cards, and app control, giving you plenty of options. The Vision keypad is sleek, tactile, and even shows battery and lock status at a glance. Battery life is impressive, with a rechargeable main battery lasting up to a year, and a backup battery for emergencies. If you want a futuristic, convenient, and secure smart lock, the SwitchBot Lock UltraVision is a seriously impressive choice. And that's a wrap on our 7 best smart door locks of 2025. Which one would you choose for your home? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more.